All right, imagine this. You're leading a team of talented developers, creating features day in and day out, yet the outcomes are still unclear. Customer satisfaction has become stagnant, tech debt's piling up, and your team feels like they're spinning their wheels in a never ending cycle. If you've been here before, you're experiencing a grind of being a feature factory. But what if there's a way to shift from simply delivering features to delivering meaningful value consistently? I've done some research and I've come across something called value stream mapping, and I've come across it before, but I don't know that I've ever dove into it as much as I should have. I mean, if you look at it from the surface, you could tell it's something big, but then once you dig in, you realize that it's a game changer for project managers, agile experts, anybody doing a project at all. It's a transformative approach that can completely change the way that you and your team operate. It simply asks that you focus on delivering real value and improving how work flows through your organization by allowing prioritization of what truly matters. So we focus on customer outcomes and results as opposed to just cranking stuff out for the sake of cranking out output. So that makes a huge difference, right? So organizations typically turn to value stream mapping when they start encountering a range of frustration and often interconnected issues. Some of these triggers should sound familiar, like we're acting like a feature factory, or our tech debt's growing and growing and never going away, or we're failing to limit work in progress. We got way too many things in flight at any given time, or we find that our rework and delays have significantly increased, or we discover a link between feedback and planning missing. Um, or we have an inability to prioritize our work, or we have low organizational performance, or lack of clear OKRs or KPIs. It's the lack of clear value proposition that's demotivating for teams. It's not just about hitting deadlines or delivering outcomes. It's about understanding why those tasks matter in the first place. When value is unclear, we don't know the outcome of our work. We feel we're lacking purpose. We see an increase in customer complaints, slows the customer journey, and sales go down. So I think that if we really want to transform, we need to focus on two key dimensions: effectiveness and efficiency. So effectiveness does have to do with outcomes and customer experience. So it measures how we value organizational deliveries to the customer. So from connecting customer value with revenue to customer satisfaction, you can measure customers actively using the capability, the rate at which new customers arrive, customer feedback based on their experience, value stream financial health. There's lots of ways to gather this information. The second is efficiency, and efficiency is focused on output still, but it's more along the lines of value stream health. At its core, efficiency measures how well your organization is delivering value from the customer's perspective. However, the flow of work from idea to realization should be smooth, steady, and friction free, continuously delivering value to the end consumers. So if you're trying to measure that, you can measure speed of flow, frequency of delivery, waste in a value stream, types of work that are underway at any given time. And I think that if you piece this all together, you wind up with what we call an unexpected result, right? The most unexpected thing is, you would expect things like better or smooth workflow or smooth operations and better workflow. The real transformation happens on how project managers and agile experts think about their work. Instead of focusing narrowly on outputs, they begin to think holistically about the entire journey from idea to delivery. These shifts redefine roles in a way that's both empowering and practical, creating new career paths for professionals to further specialize and add value in the framework. So we're starting to see a shift, and we're starting to see people who fill in, engineers who monitor flow, or value stream managers or change managers. You're starting to see product managers. You're starting to see stream coaches. These are all things that are leading us down the path of value stream management and value stream mapping, and helping us figure out how to map our current stream, or to identify metrics for efficiency, or break down silos, or invest in automation. These are all things that are going to help us really capitalize on the value stream mapping movement. But what I can tell you is, if you've never used it, do some research. And if you have dabbled with it, take a look at it again, because I can tell you there are some benefits there that are going to help you improve your Agile implementation. That's going to do it. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you have something you want to talk about, learn more at agiledad.com. We'd love to hear from you. As always, we encourage you to stay healthy, stay well, and stay agile, my friends. Until next time, do take care.